Hi guys, thanks for dropping by Designed by Kathy. Sunny, warm, everything's still green, lovely pine thicket of East Texas. Anyway, I'm outside, got some natural light going on, and hope that, I hope, no telling what kind of outside sounds we may pick up, but I hope nothing's too bad. Anyway, we're going to do a ring pour today. Hadn't tried one yet, been dying to do it, so let's get started. So what I have here is, I've got this chocolate brown, I've got some white, black, and this, it's khaki color. I'm going to be using this pouring medium by Deco Art. It was on sale at Hobby Lobby. I usually like to try to use 1 part of the medium with 1 part paint, and I've shaken this. Shook it up. Now this one was came out thicker than everybody else, so I'll add just a little bit more there and see what we got. And I just heard something buzz by my head. I hope it doesn't, it's not a stinging something, but that's always possible here. I'm here visiting family. Haven't been out all summer, so I had to leave Redondo Beach behind for a little bit. Want to mix these really thoroughly. Get you a nice flowing consistency with your paint. I really haven't used this one. It does seem to be a little bit thinner than what I have used before, but there's only one way to check it out, and that's to check it out. This canvas, I think it's 11 by 14. I can't really remember. We found these. It was an awesome deal at Hobby Lobby because my hometown of Marshall, Texas just got a Hobby Lobby, and we are all like kids in a candy store. First time we've had a craft store like that here. I put these little push pins in the back to, to elevate my canvas a little bit here. Now I want to start my layering. I think there is a secret to this. I'm not sure if I know it yet, but we're going to layer this in here and just see. I've also found if you kind of start and let the paint drip down the inside of the cup there, it doesn't just sink, you're not just dumping it in on the other color, and it seems to stay on the top better, which is where we want it. Oops, I kind of messed up on that one, but it's still going in there where we want it, for the most part. Whoops. Got a little bit of a breeze here today in East Texas. Which feels nice. It's not like our beach breeze, but it feels really good. Okay, so we've got this ready. Looks nice and dirty. And I'm definitely going to put some gloves on here. A ring pour, a tree ring. I've seen people refer to it as both, but I'm hoping that's what we can create here. So let's get started. I'm going to try to make a little spout. Try to keep a continuous, well, see, I'm not doing that so well, but I'm trying. Keep a continuous flow with your stream here. Right in the center as much as possible. We got some great motion here. I like this. It looks textured. Make sure I'm keeping it in the screen there. Working somewhere different, you don't always know. Make sure that we've got all our little edges covered. And there we have it, our first ring pour. There's probably different methods that we could do to keep the rings, but if you can see, we've got them here. Let me turn it this way. You can see a little more definition. You see, we've still got them. We got a little less defined here, but I still think that looks really, really cool. But we still have them all right through here. Made a very, very awesome design and effect. I really, really think that's cool and definitely want to try some more, and hope you will too. Hey guys, thanks for watching my first attempt at doing a ring pour. I love the effect that came out. I think it was really cool. There's probably different ways we can try it, and we'll be trying those in the upcoming future. Also, another thing to watch for, I hope you'll watch for, since I am here with my family, and we did this the other night, but nobody wanted me to video, but after everybody had so much fun, we're gonna do it again. We're gonna have a little group paint and pour. So I hope you'll check in for the next video. But thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and I hope you'll subscribe. And whatever you do, make it yours, make it personal, because you can do it. Thanks, guys.